Please select the copy option, then go to Settings. Choose the number of copies by clicking on Number of Copies, and enter the desired amount, up to a maximum of 99 copies. Next, to adjust the darkness of the copy, select Lighter or Darker. Press the plus button to increase darkness, or the minus button to decrease it. After making your adjustments, make sure to click OK. And here is the main part of the video. Select two-sided to enable the function of copying two single-sided pages onto one double-sided page.